So guys, welcome back again to the channel. This is DY Wet Hub. So now I'll be showing you guys how to create an account on Mr. Survey. How to do about it. First of all, make sure that you have created a new email address. Then after creating a new email address, you get started. Come to your mrsurvey.com. Then this is the main page of it. So you can see this is the main page of it, mrsurvey.com. So you have to scroll down, click on this part where it says login or sign up for an account. So you just input your email address right here. So for me, let me input my email address. Click on let's go. Then you input your password. So I will pause this video for security reasons. Let me pause it and input my password privately. So guys, I've inputted my password. So click on let's get started. So now we are in the next page. So now this part you have to use your templates to sort out this side. So now make sure you use a young profile template. So I'm using a young profile template. So click on this part. My template is me. You click on it. Then my date of birth is 13 August 1998. So this is my profile. This is my profile date of birth template. So I'm using a young profile template. So I click on next. So that is your country time, which is United Kingdom of British. So it's already appearing here. So you click on continue. No need for you changing anything here. Just click on continue. So you can see say well done, your account is now active. Click on continue. So then you head on to this part to confirm your email account. So let's verify our email. Let's scroll down. Click on this part, say confirm email. And click on saying yes, send me an email. So you verify your new email address we just sent to an email. Okay, so you click on proceed. Okay, so let's go and check. So let me refresh. So now here's the email address. So we just have to copy it. Copy the link, then go on to our browser, paste it. So guys, it's loaded up. So you can see, well done, we have now successfully verified your email. So guys, you can see now our email is verified. Let's go and check if it's actually verified. Click on next step. Now click this side. You can see they gave us an extra 20 points. I think so, 20 or 30 points. That ought to be our first sign up bonus. So now we have to go and check our account. So let's click on account. Scroll down. So guys can see that our email has now been verified. So now it's for us now to update our demographic. Let's complete our demographic. So this part where it says username, you put your name there. You can put any username here. So for this part where it says first name, last name, and your zip code, make sure it's the same as on your template. Make sure your postal code, your zip code is the same thing appearing on your template. So you put your city and your phone number. You can get your phone number from the admin. So let me input my name right here. So my first name is Ima, my last name is Winson. My last name is Winson. So now I can just put my username as Chris, or let me put it as Emmanuel. Then my first name I can put Ima. Then my last name I can put Wilson. Then let me increase my postal code. So guys, I've set up my name right there, my username, all of those things. So now for now I don't have phone numbers. Maybe when I purchase my phone number I will add up it. So for now I don't have phone number to include there. But for you can just leave the phone number part. So whenever they ask you for phone number, if you want to withdraw it, then you can get a phone number and include there. So just click on now save. Okay, say you should add up a phone number. You say add up if I've add up a number. So click on save. Okay, say username must be at between 6 to 20 characters. So let's add up some things. So it's let me 6. Okay, let's try it again. Click on save. Say this name is no longer okay. Guys, I think they accepted that. So say your information has successfully be updated. So guys, so now we have created an account and verify our information and all of those stuff. So make sure you inputted a phone number that receive code maybe multiple times to get. No, I don't advise you use a one-time number. Use a multiple account, a number that you can access, receive code all the time. You get for security reasons. So it's for us now to start taking surveys. So in my next video, I will make you how to take surveys on my next video.